The combination of honey and cinnamon is an incredible natural miracle and is effective in multiple various health conditions. Their properties have been praised in the traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for centuries, and their mixture is deservedly known as the best natural remedy. You may have heard about or used the healing properties of honey and cinnamon, but we bet you are not aware of all the medicinal properties of their combination. These are some of the most important ones. Cold. You should mix a tablespoon of honey and 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon, and prepare a remedy to fight cold, and it will completely heal you in 3 days. This amazing remedy treats a chronic cough, cold symptoms, and sinus congestion. Bad breath. In South America, people rinse their mouth with a tablespoon of cinnamon and honey and warm water, and this keeps the oral cavity fresh the entire day. Arthritis. In a cup of warm water, add a teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of honey, and drink it in the morning and in the evening. The regular use of this remedy will effectively reverse chronic arthritis. Cholesterol. In a cup of warm tea, add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of honey, and consume this drink in order to reduce cholesterol levels by 10% within 2 hours. Indigestion. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey and cinnamon powder and consume the mixture before meals, to help digestion, and avoid any discomfort. Immunity. The regular use of this combination boosts the immunity and keeps viruses and bacteria at bay. Flu. Spanish doctors have found that honey contains an ingredient which kills viruses and prevents the flu. Gallbladder infection. Mix a teaspoon of honey and a couple of tablespoons of cinnamon, and drink the mixture daily to destroy microbes in the gallbladder. Heart disease. Mix cinnamon and honey to prepare a paste, and spread it on a slice of whole wheat bread, and have it for breakfast, in order to reduce cholesterol levels in the arteries and prevent a heart attack. Stomachache. Mix these 2 ingredients to treat stomachache. The regular consumption will also eliminate all ulcer issues. Fatigue. To a cup of water, add half a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a tablespoon of honey, and drink it in the morning and in the afternoon, to restore vitality and treat fatigue. Weight loss. The same drink can be your effective fat-melting beverage, so you should drink it in the morning, 30 minutes before you drink or eat anything. Acne. Mix cinnamon and honey to prepare a paste and apply it on acne before going to sleep, and rinse it off the next morning. Toothache. Prepare a paste by mixing 5 teaspoons of honey and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and apply it on the painful tooth. Repeat 3 times daily until you feel relief. Skin infections. Apply this combination on the affected skin area, leave it to act for 30 minutes, and wash it off with warm water. Insect bite. Mix 2 tablespoons of water, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of honey, and apply the mixture on the bite, to relieve pain and soothe itchiness in a couple of minutes. Hair loss. Mix a tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of olive oil, and use this combination to massage the scalp gently. Leave it to act for 15 minutes, and wash the hair. This will provide magnificent effects very soon. Longevity. Add a bit of cinnamon and honey to your cup of tea on a daily basis, to reduce wrinkles, refresh your appearance, and have a healthier skin complexion. Mix a tablespoon of cinnamon, 3 cups of water, and 4 tablespoons of honey. Boil it and drink 1/4 cup several times a day. Cancer. Studies have confirmed that this combination efficiently treats stomach cancer. Mix a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of cinnamon, and consume the mixture every morning to treat stomach cancer.